In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable incognito mode in Perplexity AI app. By the end, you'll know exactly how to switch back to your regular browsing and have your chat saved again without any confusion. First, open the Perplexity app and make sure you're in your account. If you've been using Incognito, you might notice that your recent conversations aren't appearing in history and suggestions may feel less personalized. That's expected because Incognito is designed to keep your activity out of your saved threads and reduce how your prompts are used to personalize your experience. Disabling it simply returns you to the normal mode where your new chats are stored and synced across your devices. Once the app is open, look toward the main chat screen for the Incognito control. You're looking for an Incognito icon or label, often represented by a small mask or a similar private browsing symbol. If Incognito is currently on, the icon or label will usually be highlighted or clearly indicate that it's active. To turn it off, tap the Incognito icon once. That single tap disables the mode. You should see a quick visual change, such as the icon no longer highlighted, the label switching off, or a brief confirmation letting you know Incognito is disabled. From this point onward, any new chats you start will be handled in standard mode. That means they're eligible to appear in your conversation history and support the usual personalized features you're used to. If the icon doesn't respond immediately, give it a second and make sure you have a stable internet connection. A quick app restart can also help if things feel stuck. And if you don't see the icon at first glance, scroll or look near the top of the chat interface where quick toggles usually live. Keeping the app up to date is a good idea to ensure the control is exactly where it should be and works reliably. That's all there is to it. Opening your Perplexity account and tapping the Incognito icon to switch it off puts you right back into normal mode. If you ever want extra privacy for a specific query in the future, you can toggle Incognito back on the same way, ask what you need, and then tap it again to return to your regular experience. Thanks for watching. If this helped, you're now set to disable Incognito in the Perplexity AI app anytime you need, quickly and confidently.